Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy Lenovo tablets, so they are asking me various questions regarding the price point, availability and offers. In this video I will talk about Lenovo tablets. If you want to know about any other brand, you can comment in the comment sections. I will make another video regarding that brand. If you are planning to buy a tablet around 30,000, wait, because this Lenovo Idea Tab Ideal needs your attention. This is Lenovo Tab Idea Tab Smartchoice 5G featuring 11-inch 2.5K display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. You also get 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor and 7040 mAh battery. Right now the 5G variant is listed at 30,000 price point on Amazon.in, while the Wi-Fi version is around 25,000 rupees. According to Amazon's price history, this tablet was available for 24,999 rupees in the last 30 days, and over past year the price has generally stayed much lower, with the current price of 30,000 being the highest shown in the recent history. So you should not buy this tablet right now. Wait for offers and you can buy this tablet at around 25,000 price point. The next tablet in the list is Lenovo Smartchoice Tab Plus with octa-core JBL Hi-Fi speakers. It has 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, 11.5K 2K display, 90Hz refresh rate, and it is a Wi-Fi tablet. Android 14 is available on this. The current price of this tablet is 24,000 rupees, but don't be befooled by this discount because the actual price is around 20,000 or 21,000 rupees for this tablet. So wait for the right offers to buy this tablet. The next tablet that you can buy is Lenovo Idea Tab Pro with pen support. It has 12.7-inch 3K display, 144Hz refresh rate. It has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. This tablet is AI powered and there is a MediaTek processor which is 8300. It has JBL speakers and the battery capacity is 10,200 mAh with 45 watt of charger inside the box. So this is a very good tablet you can buy. The current price of this tablet is around 36,000 rupees. The price history shows that it has recently dropped to around 33,000. So again 36,000 is not the best price for this tablet. But if you need a tablet for gaming, heavy multitasking, note-taking, drawing or productivity, this is easily the most powerful option that you can buy. The next tablet in the list is Lenovo Idea Tab Plus. It has 12.1-inch 2.5K display with 800 nits of peak brightness, making this tablet great for watching content, studying and productivity. It comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage, expandable up to 2TB. It has a processor of Dimensity 6400 processor, and you will get 10,000 mAh battery, quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, and the most important thing is that Lenovo Tab pen is included in the box. So the current Wi-Fi variant is priced at 35,000 rupees, while the 5G variant is priced at 36,644 rupees. But don't buy this tablet at this price point because the actual price of this tablet is 30,000 for the Wi-Fi variant and 34,000 for the 5G variant. I think you will get another offer on this tablet, so wait. So these are some of the tablets that you can buy from Amazon.in. If you are a Lenovo fan, one thing you must remember that the update cycle on Lenovo tablets are not great. Hardware wise, Lenovo tablets are very good, but if you want a cleaner software experience, in that case either you have to buy Samsung tablets or OnePlus tablets. And if you can buy iPad, that will be a very good option for you for editing, gaming and any other task you throw at it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.